Hi, today we're going to take a look at how to access the platform via mobile device. So first of all, I'm going to show you how we would first have to download the Kydemy app. So here you can search for Kydemy and simply install this app. Now, once this is installed, you'll be able to click on Open. Here you have the option to allow Kydemy to send notifications. I always recommend activating that. And then here you would simply put in your email address and your password. And then once we click on sign in, perfect. That would be your landing page. This would be the first view you have of your platform on your mobile device. So first of all, in yellow, you will always see here on the first page a welcome message from your school or academy if they activate this. Then further down you can see your memberships and class vouchers if you have them, and then an overview of your classes, so the different dates, different types of classes, and the times you can all see there. So that's just an overview. Then you also have the option here to click on menu, and you have another variety of options. So we've just seen overview. We're going to head into classes. So here you can see any classes that you're currently registered to and what dates and times. In the button up at the top here, you'll be able to see by dates, so 27th, which is today. And then if you go back to the menu, you can also view the events, so any upcoming events, and then further down sort of grayed out any past events that have already happened. Here, if you click on an event, you'll be able to see the information, you'll be able to see the location, if this event has a price, and you'll be able to also select whether you're interested or not in going. Perfect. Then if we carry on down, you'll be able to view payments. So here you can see your current membership and how much you usually pay. You can see any class vouchers if you have them, and your payment history below. So if you click on one of your payments, so for example the membership fee of £30, you'll be able to open that and download the receipt. It's very handy, so you don't have to be constantly asking your school for it. That's an option they have to activate. Then you can also view videos. So here you can see what class the video's for, and if you click on it, you'll be able to view that video. Perfect. Then you also have the option for files. So here you can view any files that the school has uploaded. These can be PDF files, or they can be also audio files. Further down you have the option for links. So any links that your school has uploaded, maybe it's for a certain class, then you'll be able to view those there. Gallery, same. If you have anything that's been uploaded by your school, you'll be able to view any pictures here in the gallery. Now, notifications, which is quite important. Here you'll be able to see any notifications that you've had, maybe from an administrator, from a teacher, from a class in particular. Here you'll be able to view them all. And messages. Here you can view any ongoing messages that you have. You can view a conversation, see what each of you have said. And then you have attendance. So here in attendance, you'll be able to view all of the classes that you're currently registered to, whether you have attended or not. So if it's in green, you have attended. We can see, if we go back to March, you can see that there is one in red for Funky on the 28th. That one you didn't attend, so that one has not been registered as a class that you have attended to. Then back in the menu, you can also view documents. So these are the documents you currently have signed. You can download these as a PDF. And if they needed to be signed, so if there was anything pending, that will always appear on the top, and it will give you the option to sign this document within the platform. Now down at the bottom you have the option to switch language, so you can choose from English, Spanish, Catalan and French. Then you have the option to view your profile, so here you can see any information that you have input. So this is all of your information, and if you click on the edit button, you can change your password and your notification settings. And that's it really. At the bottom there's the option to sign out, and that's it. If you have any other questions, then don't hesitate to let us know. You know where to find us. Thank you.